hence Bobo the Bear Cub and the Honey Blizzard. Bobo was a little bear cub with a big appetite and an even bigger dream: to taste the perfect honey. Not just good honey, but honey so golden, so sweet, and so rich that your paws would tingle just thinking about it. One crisp autumn morning, Bobo was sniffing the air near a tall oak tree when he heard a frantic buzz. "Bobo! Bobo! You're still out here?" It was Penny, a tiny but terribly busy bee who was zipping around carrying an enormous drop of nectar. "Of course, Penny," Bobo mumbled around his snout. "The perfect honey must be nearby. I can almost smell it." Penny hovered, looking worried. "You must go home. The air is too still. All the hive bees are warning that a honey blizzard is coming." Bobo tilted his head. Honey blizzard? What's that?" "It's a rare, terrible thing," Penny explained, shaking her antennae. "When the winds blow just right, they whip the last fragile honeycomb from the highest mountain hives and send it raining down in a great, sticky, sugary storm. The forest gets stuck. You must leave." But Bobo just licked his lips. A sticky storm of free honey? To a bear cub, a honey blizzard sounded like a dream come true.